Hi, I'm Mujit. I'm working as a assembly section. Today my two-cycle improvement is cleaning this stuff. So before we had this area like drawer section. So we moved recently drawer section over there. So we have empty space there and people using this area to like walking distance. So some months they put it their cabinets and build up using the cardboard for here. So they left these cardboard. So today I'm planning to remove these cardboard and it's sometimes it's trip hazard. So we need to survive the people and I'm planning to clean this stuff.
Good morning, guys. This is Bob and Tiffany here from Assembly. We're here to show you how to fill out a hazard identification and reduction tracking form properly. This is a new one that we have. So we just had somebody by the name of Eugene finish a safety improvement in our area. So we're going to fill one out. The description of what we did was there was cardboard on the floor over by our old drawer storage area that we had a bunch of rollers. And we had put some cardboard down for some cabinet storage, and now it was left there. So we discovered this on December the 3rd. So that's what we want to try to fill out our discovery date. The action required is like remove cardboard. It's pretty simple to fill out what you're having to do to improve to yeah right out. And then you have the person responsible is Eugene. And the completion date is the date that you actually finish your project, so that would be the 4th today. And then this is the new part. We have a potential injury type reduction, reduced. So for the tripping hazard, we'll just go through it and we'll see each one, and we see there's already a bruise and contusion. We could really hurt our butt or something like that, get a real good bruise, from that. We keep going down. And then there's possibility of a fracture if you do too hard, or if you bump your head on the concrete, that could really hurt your head too. So we want to do any type of sprain and strain, any type of injury that is possible. We want to actually put a check mark on there so that we can track that as well, so we know what improvements we're getting. And then on the bottom of the page, we have supervisor, other participants, and the Josh rep. They all have to have their names written on there. So if you don't know who a Josh rep is, there's posters up for who's in your area, and bring this paper to them. All right, thank you.